Are you looking for the best solar trail camera? In this video we will look at some of the best solar trail camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SPYPOINT Link-Micro-LTE-V. The SPYPOINT Link-Micro-LTE-V is an advanced cellular hunting camera that offers exceptional camera performance and innovative features, positioning SPYPOINT as a leading solution in the mobile scouting industry. This compact camera is designed to provide hunters with a discreet and efficient way to monitor their hunting grounds while minimizing human impact. The standout feature of the Link-Micro-LTE-V is its cutting-edge camera performance, allowing hunters to capture high-quality images and videos. Its cellular capabilities enable users to access a range of tools and features that define SPYPOINT's mobile scouting solution. By leveraging cellular technology, hunters can remotely monitor their camera and receive real-time updates without physically visiting the camera's location. One of the remarkable aspects of the Link-Micro-LTE-V is its ultra-compact design. Despite being a cellular camera, it is incredibly small, making it ideal for use in trails and hunting environments. This compact size enhances its ability to remain concealed, preventing wildlife from detecting the camera and avoiding disruption to natural behaviors. Number 2. Moultrie Mobile Delta Base. The Moultrie Mobile Delta Base is an advanced and reliable cellular trail camera system designed to enhance your hunting and wildlife monitoring experience. With a focus on accuracy, speed, and connectivity, the Delta Base offers a range of features to ensure you capture the best possible images and videos in the field. At the core of the Delta Base is its best-in-class image sensor, capable of capturing sharp 24MP photos and high-quality videos with sound. This ensures that you can document your hunting grounds or wildlife habitats with exceptional clarity and detail. One of the standout features of the Delta Base is its precise motion detection technology, which allows you to never miss any action in the field. Combined with an invisible flash that can reach up to 80 feet, this camera ensures that your subjects remain undisturbed while you capture their natural behavior, even during nighttime or low-light conditions. Number 3. SPYPOINT Link-Micro-S-LTE-V. The SPYPOINT Link-Micro-S-LTE-V is a cutting-edge addition to the Micro family of cellular trail cameras, known for their advanced features in motion sensor hunting and outdoor surveillance. One of the standout features of this camera is its integrated solar panel technology, which sets it apart from its predecessors. The integrated solar panel is designed to harness the power of the sun, providing a continuous source of energy to charge the included LIT-10 rechargeable lithium battery pack. A significant advantage of the SPYPOINT Link-Micro-S-LTE-V is its potential to save time and money for outdoor enthusiasts and hunters. The camera's reliance on solar power and the supplied LIT-10 battery pack can alleviate the ongoing expense of purchasing disposable batteries. This not only translates to cost savings but also minimizes the inconvenience and expenditure associated with frequently traveling to replace batteries in remote locations. By harnessing renewable energy, the camera promotes a sustainable and efficient approach to outdoor surveillance. Number 4. QWAA Solar Trail Camera. The QWAA Solar Trail Camera is a state-of-the-art outdoor monitoring device designed to capture high-quality images and videos while operating on solar power. With its innovative features and advanced technology, this trail camera offers an efficient and eco-friendly solution for surveillance and wildlife observation. One of the standout features of the QWAA Solar Trail Camera is its solar-powered capability. Equipped with a built-in 4400 mAh rechargeable battery and a top-mounted solar panel, the camera harnesses solar energy to power its operations. This not only reduces the need for frequent battery replacements but also contributes to environmental sustainability. The camera's battery can also be charged using the provided USB cable, ensuring uninterrupted performance even in low sunlight conditions. For optimal performance in cold temperatures, it's advisable to use for AA batteries in addition to the solar power. In terms of image and video quality, the QWAA Solar Trail Camera excels. It boasts a premium optical lens and a cutting-edge image sensor, allowing it to capture stunning 4K native videos at 30 frames per second, FPS, and 36 MP clear photos. When triggered by movement, The camera captures high-resolution images that provide exceptional detail both during the day and at night. While nighttime images are in black and white, the camera's night vision capability ensures that crucial details are captured even in low-light conditions. Number 5. Lamgul Trail Camera. The Lamgul Trail Camera presents a groundbreaking advancement in the world of trail cameras, combining innovative technology with eco-conscious design. This solar-powered game camera comes equipped with a high-capacity 4400 mAh rechargeable battery, eliminating the need for traditional AA batteries and ushering in a more environmentally friendly approach to wildlife monitoring. While the built-in battery provides reliable power for extended periods, it's important to note that in low-temperature environments, supplementing the device with AA batteries can enhance its performance. It is recommended to ensure the built-in battery is fully charged prior to use. One of the standout features of the Lamgul Trail Camera is its exceptional imaging capabilities. It boasts a remarkable 4K at 30 FPS resolution for video recording, allowing users to capture stunningly clear footage at a resolution of 3840 x 2160 pixels and a smooth frame rate of 30 frames per second. Moreover, the camera offers an impressive 30 megapixel image capture capacity, ensuring that even the finest details of the wildlife or surroundings are preserved with unparalleled clarity.